Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today we are reviewing this wig I received from Allove Hair. They sent me this beautiful curly 4x4 closure wig. It is gorgeous. If you guys want to see me unbox this wig, style it for you as well, please continue to watch. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there, so you can participate in all my polls, question answers, giveaways, everything that I have going on my Instagram. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get started. Okay, you guys, so let's get right into it. The hair comes in this little baggie that says Allove Hair on it. And let me open this real quick for you and show you what's inside. So you get a little card, wig caps. All right, so this, my hair looks crazy. All right, so this is the wig. It is a 24-inch 4x4 closure wig. It is HD lace. The inside looks like so. It has let's see, it has 3 clips, adjustable straps on the side. Looks good. The edges look like this. I'll definitely be plucking this a little bit. It also has some baby hairs on there as well. The hair feels extremely soft off the top. I will say that. It looks really good. I'm really excited to try this. Yes, these curls feel so good. So I'm just going to really quickly put some foundation on the lace, pluck it a little bit, and then I will come back and show you guys how I install it and style it. So I am done installing and styling this hair. It looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. This is definitely giving vacation hair. This is giving a night out. I mean, this can be like running errands hair if you need it to be, you know. It is very cute. Very cute. I love it. Thank you again, Allove Hair, for sending me this wig. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details on where you can find this wig and all the specs on the wig as well. Thank you again for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.